So it comes with Genie's bottle, and this actually has two little layouts that you spin around. That's the cover, as you can see. Oh my gosh, this is so old. This is so funny, you guys. Look, it comes with a floppy disk. Oh my goodness. Magical coloring activity disc. I have no idea if I'll be able to find a way to access that, which also makes me wonder when this was produced, because good Lord, that's ancient. Okay, so it looks like we have one of the genies. We have the actual genie from the show. Oh, two different outfits because there's two different scenes. I get it. Major, I forgot his name already. And then Jeannie again. Okay, so she has two different outfits. Let's see. 4 mini characters included. Turn the wheel inside to view the screens. Yay. Exciting. Oh, I wish I could access that floppy disk. So, okay. Oh, that's so funny. It even tells you like what you need. Oh my God. Think of the days of like, wow. Hard drive, monitor set to certain colors, 640 by 480 pixels. Yikes, it's so old. Okay, so this is made in 1996. Interesting. Oddly enough, like that doesn't seem like it was that long ago to me, but it, you know, it actually is. So I was only 10 when this came out. This is really cute, like little Genie coloring pages. That would be cute to get those and print them out. So, okay, they actually have a couple of other ones. So they have 3 other ones. The North Pole, like how stinking cute are those scenes? Oh, and the NASA office. That's funny. The wedding chapel. So see the church doors open. That's cute. And then Genie's bottle on the beach. There's a spaceship. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. So this is the one I got specifically because I wanted Genie's living room. Like, I think that's so much cuter. And then the city of Baghdad. That's cute. Wow, okay. And then they also have what looks like mini Genie lockets. That's adorable. I honestly, I'm not sure that I remember these toys when I was little. If you're a millennial like me, let me know if you remember them, because I wonder. Oh my gosh, look at the price too. KB Toys, damn, that little toy store in the mall that I don't know when, I don't recall when it closed, but 2 for $5, originally $9.99. Okay, and the nostalgia, and actually it's really funny too. So the thing with this, even though it is a new in-box playset that I paid, I think, like $45 for, I don't care, I wanted it. Even though it is new in the box, I still wanted to take it out of the package and put it on my nostalgia shelf. So that's what we're gonna do here. So let's cut this tape. I know this is awful, but too bad. Trend Masters, the brand. Okay. So cute. Oddly enough, like this picture doesn't even look like Genie. So let's get this out. Okay, I've already fought enough with like the original box that the person shipped it in from eBay. I'm hoping not to like fight with this too. It's really, really cute. All right, so this looks easy enough. But, oh, haha, thank goodness. Like, I really don't want to like break a nail. Let's see, what can we do here? Easier said than done. Okay. Oh, it's like, I don't know, there's like little metal grommet thingies keeping you from opening it, but whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna like tear the plastic because, I don't know, this is going nowhere fast. Okay, so actually I think I'll put like the little floppy disk on the shelf too, because that's kind of cute. Yeah, we definitely need to keep that. Okay, now let's get you out of the package. Oh, the little cap came off. Let's see, what do we do here? Oh, it just snaps right back on. No big deal. Okay, so let's see, like, how are we doing here? Okay. That's really cute. It really looks like Genie's bottle. And as you can see, there's my hand. So I would say this about like, I don't know, like 7 inches tall. There's like a little bit of something on there. Even though this is new and packaged, it's like a little bit of like erosion from the tape maybe. I'm not really sure. But again, this is like really, really old. Okay, let's figure out how to reopen this guy. I think right here. What am I doing here? Or is that the hinge? Yeah, that's the hinge. So we're gonna open, and then we got, that's the opening. Nothing up there. This is solid. Okay, so we got the city of Baghdad, and we have like one of these. I forgot what this is called, but that's funny. Like that you lock the prisoner in so they can't run away. So let's flip it around. Jeannie's living room. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. If you guys remember, if you don't remember the show, go look it up like on TikTok and YouTube. It was so cute way back when. She had like the cutest like purple, what looked like velvety couch. She would lay on the couch and read her books. What's this? Oh, a little treasure chest. Oh, cute. Okay, cool. Here, we'll lock that back together. And then a couple little lamps. It almost looks like Jeannie has her own Genie lamp right there. That is cute. Okay, now I see room for one character to stay. Oh, just Jeannie. That's right, because it's her living room. Yes. Okay, let's clean that off. I don't know, like maybe some like dried up glue or tape or something because it's old. Right there too. Cute. Okay, let's get the characters out and put them in so we can see how that is. Good. Okay, here they are. Cool. I think it was Major Nelson. I think that's his name, but I forgot his cohort's name. He had like a boss that was like bossy, and then he had like a cohort, like a coworker, and he tried like crazy to like hide Jeannie, but it didn't always, he always ended up looking like a cuckoo to his coworkers and his boss. Not having much luck with this damn tape. I hate tape. Okay, got one of them out. So this appears to be, I think another Genie. I think like a male Genie. Okay. Here's one of Jeannie's outfits in blue. Super cute. I always liked her pink outfit the best. Cool. And then we'll get Major Nelson out. Uh-oh, he came apart. Yikes, no, don't do that. Ah! Okay, let's see. I might have to like glue him back together. Zoinks. Nope, he snapped right back together, but these are like quite fragile, and I'm not sure if it's because like they're really, really old or eroded or, you know, just really like flimsy and fragile to begin with, but there's that. Okay, so we got these characters. That one, and then uno más. Okay, being really careful with this one. It seems like it doesn't take much to like scratch them or like get the paint off of them, but looks like the Genies are solid. The two girl Genies are solid. All right. So let's see. How about we put him here and put this Genie right here in the city of Baghdad. Oh, it doesn't like stay very well. Cute though. I mean, it's just gonna like go on a shelf anyway. And then maybe see if like Mr. Nelson fits in there. Actually, I probably shouldn't do that because I almost broke him. Let's scoot around and put Jeannie with her purple outfit in her living room. Probably not facing the couch though, that's kind of weird. Ah! Uh-oh. There we go. All right. So yeah, that is our Genie in a bottle play set. It is so stinking cute. I think I'll put him over here in this thing. Leave Genie in there and put Major Nelson up here because these have to like go somewhere. I don't want to lose them. And then we'll put this up on my shelf. Sorry, just adjusting the camera so you can see everything. All right, so there is our Genie playset.